हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू साइंस क्लासरूम। आज के वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्लास 10 साइंस के इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चैप्टर से। इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज़ द मेन सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी। तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के द्वारा ही हम लोग आजकल डिजिटल वर्ल्ड को यूज़ कर सकते हैं। इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के द्वारा ही हम लोग आज किसी से कम्युनिकेशन कर सकते हैं। दीज आर द मेन यूजेस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, दैट इज़ laptop, AC, mobile, fan, bulb, and any television. So this is in this digital world we cannot live without the electricity. Okay, objective of the class is that introduction, charge, conductor, insulator, circuit diagram, and electric component and symbol. Electricity. So what is electricity? So the flow of charges through an electric circuit is known as electricity. तो ये है, हाँ, ये एक मतलब पावर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कैसे मिलती है हमें? जब भी किसी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट में चार्ज फ्लो होता है तभी हमें इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मिलता है। तो ये है हमारा एक न्यूक्लियस, जिसके अंदर हमारा न्यूट्रॉन है और जिसके अंदर हमारा प्रोटॉन है। ठीक है, न्यूक्लियस के अंदर न्यूट्रॉन भी होते हैं एंड प्रोटॉन भी होते हैं। ठीक है, तो क्या होता है न्यूक्लियस के अंदर? प्रोटॉन क्या होता है, न्यूक्लियस के बीच में फिक्स्ड रहता है, इट कैन नॉट रिवॉल्व। बट इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या करते हैं, हमेशा न्यूक्लियस के चारों तरफ रिवॉल्व करते रहते हैं। ठीक है, तो इलेक्ट्रॉन की मूविंग की वजह से, दैट मीन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन की मोशन की वजह से ही हमें चार्ज प्रोड्यूस करते हैं। तो दैट मीन्स द इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रोड्यूसेस द चार्ज एंड द चार्ज प्रोड्यूसेस द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। ओके, सो दिस इज द मेन सोर्स ऑफ charge. So when electron is moving or when electron is in motion, the charge is produced, and when charges flow, then electricity is also produced. Okay, so that means electricity is that the flow of charge through an electric circuit is known as electricity. Okay, so next is that what is charge? So charge is generally we denote the charge as Q. So charge is the property of the atom. So atom का एक property है, charge atom का ही एक property है। There are two types of charge, that is positive charge and the negative charge. तो positive charge is proton and negative charge is neutron. So in this figure we have seen that there are two charges. See, charge is denoted as red, positive charge is denoted as red color and negative charge is denoted as any in color. So in your household you have seen that so many wires. There are two types of charge. One is a red color wire and another is a black color wire. So this red color wire is positive charge and that black color wire is the negative charge. Now what is the properties of the charge? These are the main important thing of charge. So charge का प्रॉपर्टी ये है कि opposite charges attract each other. That means in this figure these two charges are attract each other. Why it is attract to each other? Because we have here the opposite charges, that is one is positive charge and another is negative charge. Okay, and if we put the similar charges, that is if it is a positive charge and if it is also a positive charge, then these two charges never attract to each other. Okay, this the thing, the similar charges repel each other. Okay, now another thing property is that direction of the charge is always from positive to negative. तो the charge का direction देखिए, in this figure the arrow indicates the direction of the charge, that is charge is always flowing from positive charge to negative charge, positive charge to negative charge. It never pass from this way. Okay, negative charge to positive charge, it is always passing from the positive charge to negative charge. Okay, and another thing is that these two lines never intersect to each other. okay. And another thing is that the q is also plus minus Ne, that is the charge on proton and the electron is plus minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. This coulomb is the unit of the charge, okay. So these are the main properties of the charge, okay. So in this case q equal to plus minus Ne. Here E is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and this n equal to 1, 2, 3, okay. Now what is conductor and the insulator? So conductor is that through which electric current is passing is called conductor, that is the copper wire is the main source of conductor, and insulator is that through which electric current do not allow is known as insulator, okay, or cannot pass the electric current is considered as insulator, that is rubber insulator. So in your you have seen that so many electric wires are wrapped with the rubber wire. So this portion is wrapped with rubber because this portion the electric current is cannot flow, so this portion is considered as the insulator, okay. So next is why conductor allow electricity to flow through them. So conductor के अंदर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी क्यों पास होती है, क्यों इंसुलेटर के अंदर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास नहीं होती है? Because see that due to the presence of free electron in a conductor can conduct electricity. That means कंडक्टर के अंदर फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन पास होती है, इसीलिए कंडक्टर के अंदर क्या होता है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास होता है. So you have seen this figure that this is the nucleus and electron and neutrons are there. So in this nucleus proton is always fixed in the middle and electron is always in motion. Electron is always in motion. So it means that in every substances electron is always in motion, but it depends on quantity. In some substances electron, the amount of flow of electron is very less. This substance is considered as insulator, and in some substances the electron is always in motion and the quantity is also very high. This substance is considered as a conductor. For example, in a copper wire electron is easily passed, that's why the copper wire is considered as a conductor. So that means that in conductor the free electron conduct electricity, and in insulator it does not possess the free electron, okay. That's why the conductor conduct electricity, okay. So next is that circuit diagram, okay. So these are the basic circuit diagram. So we have used here a resistor. What is the function of resistor? So resistor resists the current, that means resistor is the hindrance of the current, मतलब करंट को रुकाता है, मतलब करंट को कंट्रोल करता है रेजिस्टेंस. if we don't put any resistance in an electronic circuit, there are so many current will flow and it will damage the devices, okay. So for that we need to connect a resistance. And next is that switch is closed, switch can be closed and open. So open, this is the open switch, and there is a battery. So always positive terminal is connected, positive terminal and the negative terminal, and current is always flow from positive terminal to negative terminal, okay. And the charge is flowing. Charge is flowing means electron is flowing, electron is in motion this way. So one thing you have observed that this direction is indicate the electron, that is in this way, in this direction the electron is flowing, but the current is flowing in this way. That means the direction of the electron and the direction of the current is always opposite. That is, if electron is flowing in this way and then current is also flowing in this way, that is always the direction of the current and the electrons are opposite to each other, Okay, so the point to be remember is that current always pass from positive terminal to negative terminal of the battery, that is current positive से निकले गल के negative में आएगा, and the direction of the electric current is always taken as opposite to the direction of the flow of charge. That is, suppose ये है हमारा चार्ज का फ्लोइंग, और तो करंट का फ्लोइंग किस तरफ होगा, इस तरफ होगा. ये है चार्ज का फ्लोइंग और ये है करंट का फ्लोइंग. Direction of the electric current is always opposite to the direction of the flow of the charge. That means जिस तरफ इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्लो करेगा उसी के ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में करंट फ्लो करेगा. ठीक है. सो दिस आर द मेन बेसिक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंपोनेंट्स एंड सिंबल. सो आपको यहाँ पे सिर्फ सेल के बारे में जानना है. तो सेल का सिंबल ऐसे होता है, एंड दिस इज द बैटरी. What is the difference between cell and the battery? Sometimes we confuse about this concept, that cell is a single cell, and if we connect two or more than two cells, then it is converted as a battery. Okay, and this is resistor. So this is the symbol of resistor. Okay, and this is DC power supply, and here it is a voltmeter V. Voltmeter is considered as V, and ammeter is MA, and this is a switch, and this is an alternating signal. Okay, and this is a capacitor, and this is a variable resistor. So what is the function of variable resistor? So sometimes we need to increase or decrease the value of the resistance. For that case we are using this variable resistance. That is, using the variable resistance we can vary the value of resistance. Okay, so this much for today. So if you are new in this channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.